Good day. Today, I will show you how the PatientXpress Outbound AI Caller works. First, go to PX button. And then go to Appointments tab. Once you're here, go ahead and filter out the dates you want to cover for the Outbound AI Caller. Once you've filtered out the dates and selected the patient you want the Outbound AI Caller to contact, go ahead and select Outbound AI Call from Types and select from the template what kind of contact it will do to the patient, and then click on Send. After hitting the Send button, the AI will now attempt to call the patient depending on what type of contact you selected. For this instance, I want the AI to confirm the appointment with the patient. Let's go ahead and listen how the AI do its call.
Hi, am I speaking with Carl Reyes? Hi, Carl. This is Alexa from PatientXpress. I'm calling to confirm your upcoming appointment scheduled for June 28th, 2025 at 11:30 a.m. Will you be able to attend this appointment? Great, Carl. Your appointment for June 28th, 2025 at 11:30 a.m. has been successfully confirmed. We look forward to seeing you in our office. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
And once everything is collected by the AI, the appointment will then be marked as confirmed, and an entry on the comm log will be made showing that the PX AI voice confirmed the appointment, and it will also give you a brief summary of what happened in the call, just like shown on the screen. And that is it. That is how the PatientXpress Outbound AI Caller works. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.